I couldn't believe how much thicker and faster the parsley grew with this addition. Before I show you the ingredients, let me share a little trick. If you haven't sown your parsley yet, soak the seeds in chamomile tea for a few hours to speed up germination. Now let's move on to preparing the feed. Pour about 100 milliliters of whey into half a liter of lukewarm water. Whey is a natural byproduct of dairy products, rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, as well as beneficial bacteria that enrich the soil. These bacteria help break down organic matter and improve soil structure, resulting in stronger roots and healthier leaves. Whey also contains small amounts of protein and lactose that plants can utilize, and its acidity gently balances the soil pH, especially in gardens where the soil is slightly alkaline. Next, add half a tablespoon of wood ash. Ash is a natural source of potassium, phosphorus, and manganese, which are essential for root development and creating dense green foliage. Potassium strengthens cell walls, making plants more resistant to drought and diseases, while phosphorus promotes flowering and better fruit development. Ash also acts as a natural soil regulator, neutralizing excessive acidity and contributing to a balanced nutrient supply, which is particularly beneficial for vegetable and fruit gardens. The third ingredient is a tablespoon of nettle tea. Nettle is an excellent source of nitrogen, which is crucial for rapid leaf growth and overall plant vigor. In addition to nitrogen, nettle contains magnesium, calcium, iron, and trace elements like manganese and zinc, which further strengthen the plant and enhance photosynthesis. Its natural composition also acts as a growth stimulator, improves the plant's immune resistance, and can serve as a mild repellent against some pests. Mix all the ingredients well and let them sit for about 24 hours so the nutrients fully dissolve in the water. After that, strain the liquid and dilute it with about another liter of water. Approximately 50 milliliters of this mixture is enough for each plant. Water your plants once or twice a month. Check out our next video appearing on your screen. Thank you and cheers!